Master the art of Q&A in town hall meetings. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving into the exciting world of debates and discussions. Specifically, we'll be exploring town hall meetings and their unique structure. Most importantly, we'll be focusing on a crucial part of these meetings: the question and answer (Q&A) session. So let's get started. First things first, let's understand what a town hall meeting is. This is a type of discussion format that originated in traditional town meetings of small communities in the United States. Today, this format is widely used in various contexts around the globe. A town hall meeting is a public meeting where community members gather to discuss issues of importance, often with a panel of experts or representatives. The essence of this format lies in its openness and accessibility, providing a platform for everyone to voice their thoughts and concerns. Now let's focus on the Q&A session in a town hall meeting. This is a crucial part of the meeting where audience members have the opportunity to ask questions directly to the speakers or panelists. These questions can help to clarify information, dive deeper into the topics discussed, or address specific concerns. In return, the speakers provide answers, shed light on the issues, and may even use these inquiries to steer the conversation in new, insightful directions. The beauty of Q&A sessions is the diversity of questions that can be asked. There are open-ended questions, which invite broad, detailed responses. These are great for gaining deep insights or stimulating conversation. Examples include, "How do you see this issue evolving in the future?" Or, "Can you elaborate on your strategy for dealing with this problem?" Then, there are closed-ended questions, which are typically answered with a "yes" or "no" or a brief piece of information. These are useful for confirming facts or understanding specific details. An example might be, "Did you implement this change last year?" Finally, there are leading questions, which subtly prompt the respondent towards a particular answer. These questions can be a double-edged sword, as they might steer the conversation but can also create bias. An example would be, "Don't you think our approach should prioritize sustainability?" To ensure a successful Q&A session, here are some key strategies. Preparation. Think about potential questions beforehand. This can help to ensure that you ask relevant, insightful questions. Clarity. Make sure your questions are clear and concise. A well-structured question is easier to answer and likely to receive a more useful response. Listen. Pay attention to the answers. This may provide inspiration for follow-up questions and help show respect to the speaker. Courage. Don't be afraid to ask. Remember, there are no stupid questions. Your inquiry could lead to a vital piece of information or an enlightening discussion. And there we have it, the art of the Q&A in a town hall meeting. The power to ask good questions and understand responses is not only vital in such discussions but is a valuable skill in our everyday life. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Remember to stay curious, and never stop asking questions. Happy learning!